Hello, I'm your engineering librarian, Paul Hottinger. If you need to contact me, you can email me at prhottinger@cpp.edu. That is prhottinger at cpp.edu. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to locate chemical or material properties searching the Knovel database. Knovel's material property search engine finds numeric data in handbooks, materials, and databases. There are thousands of materials and substances and more than 100 properties to search. To begin, go to the library homepage located at www.cpp.edu/library. To access Knovel, scroll down to the Featured Links section and click Databases. From the A to Z list, click the letter K. Next, scroll down and click the link to Knovel. Knovel defaults to the Search Knovel tab. To search for properties, click the Property Search tab. Next, click the Open Material Property Search link. This is where you can now search for your chemical and material properties. For this example, let's say you want to find the tensile strength of titanium. In the material or substance name field, type in titanium and press enter. The Results button displays the number of resources containing data on titanium. Now you can begin to define the property you are interested in. There are two ways you can find the property. You can either browse the chemical property list on the right-hand side and browse through the chemical properties tree, or type in a property into the Filter by Property name box. For this example, since I already know the property I am looking for regarding titanium, I'm going to type in the name of the property. So I type in tensile strength. Only the relevant properties are now listed. To view the property, simply drag and drop the property into the query builder, or double-click the property name. Just to note, with the drag and drop option, you can drag as many properties as you want. Knovel will search for sources that contain all of them. Now, to view my results of tensile strength on titanium, click the Results button. Here's where you can see snippets of each result, with the most relevant result shown first. And as you can see, the ultimate tensile strength for titanium is 550. If you want more information, you can click the title of the source and it will take you to the resource that the property was found in. So that's how you can find material properties using Knovel. If you have any further questions, please contact Paul Hottinger, your engineering librarian.